Hello everyone, my name is Harsh and welcome to today's session for Flutter 101 Bootcamp. In today's session we will be getting started with Firebase, and the first thing which we will be seeing in Firebase is how we can add email and sign up authentication feature inside our application. So before moving towards the adding part, let's first see how we can generate the SHA key inside our application. So for generating the SHA key, if you are having a Linux based OS then or a Mac based OS, then it is much easier for you, as you can directly run the commands which are given in the description or which are provided to you when you are trying to add the SHA key. So you can directly run your command in your terminal and you will be provided with your SHA keys. But when you are trying to get the SHA keys in Windows, then it is a bit of a hassle when you are trying to generate it in Windows. So for generating it in Windows, what you need to do is you need to go into the program files. After that you need to find the Java. So you must have installed Java while you were trying to configure the Android Studio, so it must be installed there. So you need to go into the Java folder. After that you need to find the JDK 15.0.1. so the version may differ for your OS or for your there may be different versions available for you, but you need to find the JDK top directory. Inside it you need to move inside the bin directory. So here you can see there are these many files located inside the bin directory. Now what I need to do is I need to copy this location and I need to open a command prompt. So you can do is you can directly click on start, you can start typing cmd and it will open a command prompt for you. Once you have opened a command prompt, you can directly type cd and space with the location which you have copied. When you will be clicking on enter, it will be taking you to the particular location which you have copied. Now once you are in this particular location, what you need to do is you need to copy the command which must be provided to you in the description, or you can see the command as well on your screen. So you need to copy the command, and then in place of this your user profile name, what you need to do is you need to delete this and enter your user profile name. So it will be the username for your current session which you are logged in into your Windows. So for me it is Dell. So it is basically something. So when you will be opening the command prompt for the first time, it will be showing you that C /users : and whatever must be written after that, then it will be your username for that particular session. So I have added Dell as it showed me Dell earlier, and when I'll be clicking on enter, it will be showing me my SHA key. The SHA key will, so I am specifically hiding this SHA key because it is said that you should not share your SHA1 or SHA256 key with anyone. So make sure to note it down, as it will be useful for you whenever you are trying to generate or whenever you are trying to implement Firebase inside your application. So you won't be needing to regenerate the key again and again. The key will be remaining same, but the process is of a bit of a hassle. So you can copy it and make sure to not share it with anyone else. So now you can see that I have opened my Firebase console over here, and you must be remembering this bootcamp project which we created in the previous session. So let me open this project. And for now what we have done is we have created the project, but we have not added a particular application inside it. So for this session and for the upcoming session, I'll be telling you how you can do or how you can work with the Android part. iOS part is mostly similar to what we are doing in Android. It generally takes one or two more things to be done, but as I am lagging or I am not having an iMac or iOS related OS version to work with, so it is somewhat difficult for me to make apps in iOS and then run them and test them as well. So I'll be preferring Android for the upcoming session and this session as well. So let's add an Android app over here. So you can see that it is asking me for a package name over here for me. So let me open VS Code, and in that I'll be making a new project. So let me open it and share my screen for that. So here is the project which I have created recently. Let's wait for it to generate the resources which are there in a project. We need to go inside the Android app source, main Android manifest, and inside this we can find the package name over here. So I'll copy it and I'll paste it inside my this term package name. I'll name it as bootcamp project only, and I need to provide the SHA key. So it is optional as of now. We'll be using it when we are trying to implement the Google sign-in inside our application. So let's skip as of now. Next, I'm clicking on register app. It will take some time. Now I am downloading a Google service JSON file. I'll be adding it a bit later. For now, I'm just downloading it. I'm clicking next and opening the build.gradle file inside our application. So first I need to go inside this build.gradle file, transitioning the screen. So here you can see that Google is present here and here as well. The only thing which I am missing is the Google services file path, so I'll add it inside the dependencies and I'll save it, closing this main.dart file, saving it. And now I need to go to the next build.gradle file which is present inside the app. So inside that particular thing I need to add certain plugins. So Android application plugin is present, the Google services plugin I need to add over here. So I'll be copying it from there and pasting it here. Next I need to add the implementation for Firebase. So I'll copy the implementation for Firebase and I need to add it inside the dependencies. So here the dependencies are, adding it. We can also add the implementation of Firebase Analytics, but for now let's ignore it. Clicking on next and clicking on continue to console. Now let me go to let me open the Google services JSON file in File Explorer and I'll cut that file from there. Control cut, and inside my source directory where the source directory is present, I'll open it in File Explorer and along with it I'll paste it over here. So where is it is paste command. I'll rename it to what it should be, renaming it again. Let me show you guys folks how I have added it here. Where it is. So you can see that I have added the file where it should be and it is working fine as of now. Let's head back to the console which we are having, Firebase console. So you can see that the console has taken us to this particular application and we are having this bootcamp project created. Let's move towards the authentication part. From here we need to enable all the sign-in method which we need to use inside our application. So first thing which we need to do is we need to click on this get started button. After it, for the sign-in methods which we are having, we need to click on the email and password sign-in and enable it. We can also enable this email link passwordless sign-in, but let's not do it as of now. We'll be preferring the basic sign-in and sign-up method which is taken place with the help of this email and password. So I have edited it as of now. Now let's move towards the code part. But before this, let's try to run the app and see if anything is not breaking, because it is easy to add all these things, but what happens generally is that most of the things break when we are running the app. So let me roll my emulator quickly. My emulator is starting side by side. Let me open or transition to VS Code again. So now coming to the important update which we had. So I tried recording videos or recording sessions for this Firebase part, but the thing which is happening is that due to low specs of my computer, the videos are really taking a bit longer than what I expected. So what I'll be doing is I'll be sending mails. So you must be receiving the regular mails for the event updates. but from now on you will be getting, or I'll be adding the link to the best videos from where I learned how to implement different various features for the Firebase part. So I'll be linking those videos in the mails which will be sent to you. And from those videos, like they are one of the best videos which you can find, and from where I learned how I can implement various different things from Firebase. So I'll be adding those videos in the emails, and then you can watch the videos. And sharp at 7 we can have a call on Discord, or we can have a discussion on Discord, like if you are facing any problem once you have watched the videos. So you will be getting most probably getting the links for those particular videos by 12 or by 1 in the evening, or in the afternoon, or in the morning. And if you are having any doubt, then you can join Discord at 7 in the evening, and then we can have a discussion over whatever error you are facing. So some of the upcoming videos, like 5 to 6 sessions, will be in this format only. And at last, on the closing day, we'll be having another video where I'll be telling you how you can implement some of the most used packages in the last session. And after that, this program will be ending, and more updates regarding the program will be coming in the upcoming video after the program ends. So this was all for this particular video, or I can say for this particular session. So keep an eye on your mails for more updates regarding the Firebase video. And if you have any doubts, then make sure to post them on Discord so that I can help you with your doubts. And thanks for watching this video.